What's up, guys? Off the scales fishing, Aaron here. Man, I got off at like 12:30 today, and man, I got about 4 hours to make something happen, and I'm gonna fish this solar eclipse. So let's see what I can put together in about 4 hours. You guys stay tuned. I'm gonna make the best of it. Catch y'all here in a minute. Well, guys, no bites yet on the chatterbait. Man, I would think when I hit the water this afternoon, you know, it was 65 degrees right away. So I mean, man, this should be on and popping. These fish are going to be spawning, wanting to spawn. Probably waves of them moving up, you know, probably last night. Like I said before, man, you just cannot be on the water enough right now. Man, if I had it my way, or, you know, the good Lord, you know, gave me the opportunity, I would be on the water every single day right now, because these waves of bass are just going to continue to move up more and more as this month goes on. In the last video, I talked about the last little cool spell, and I think we're out of that now. I've looked at the extended forecast, and I'm telling you, the lows at night are in the 50s. Man, this should be on and popping. So let's get back to fishing, guys. There's the first one, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's a big one. Oh my God, it's a big one. It's a real big one, guys. It's a real big one. Oh my God, yes sir, let's go. Hell yeah, man. Look at that one, you guys. Just snatch that chatterbait up. Look at that one, you guys, let's go. Oh my goodness, man. That was insane, what a bite. Holy smokes, man. Chatterbait, I mean, just choked it down the throat, you guys. Look, she's got the red belly. She's got the red tail, the red belly. Like I just said, these fish are up spawning. That's about a 5-pounder right there, you guys. What a fight, man. I need to pull up because she was right over here. I guarantee you I caught her. Guarantee you I caught her off bed. Boom, one more look at her, guys. Right there. She's probably 5, almost 6 pounds. I'm gonna go ahead and put her back because she's spawning, so I want to put her right back on her bed. So we'll release her right now. There'll be more. Thank you, girl. Man, that was awesome, you guys. Let's go. I've only been out here 20 minutes tops. Let's get back in there. Hurry up, dude. I just caught a 6-pounder, dog.
Yeah, dude, I'm just now getting that thing of shit, bro.
All right, well, just hurry up, dude. All right, guys, so officially, the females have moved up. There is no doubt about it. That little cold snap really didn't affect them all that much, I don't believe. The water temps pretty much stayed at 60. They're 65. And that's an indication right there, man. These females are on bed. So it is absolutely go time right now. So guys, stay tuned. It could get stupid out here. You started off with a 6-pounder, man. God, the way she ate that thing, man, she just swooped on it. And my line just took off. That's why it's so important, if you guys are chatterbait fishing, especially like windy conditions like this right now, you're better off throwing a moving bait, because you can catch them right off bed, you guys. I mean, they're gonna react, a reaction strike. So I got a whole lot of wind right now, and I'm using it to my advantage. But I will say this, when I'm fishing, I'm leaving these fish a way to get out. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna pin them in there. So when they take off running, they're not gonna run right under the boat. and you have a chance to catch these fish. Because if they run right under the boat, you're never gonna catch them, you guys. Just cover in water, man, because they should be here in like, you know, 1.5 to 4 feet of water is where they should be. I had to get back out here this afternoon because we got rain the next 3 days and I won't be able to get out here. So I was like, man, I got an early start today working and got out here as soon as I could. Man, you guys, I'm getting low on my freeloaders. I got to put in another order. The chatterbait bite has been so freaking good. I got to get some more of these Rapala City freeloaders. I'm putting it back on my chatterbait. Man, these things give the chatterbait phenomenal action, give the profile just a little bigger action, and they look like a big, you know, a big gizzard shad or a threadfin shad. So check these trailers out, they're awesome. There's one. Oh yeah, it's a good one too, guys. It's a good one. Yes, sir. Get up in here. Yes, sir. Fatty, man. I don't know if that's a little female or what, but look at that belly. Look at the rub marks. Boom. That's about a solid, almost 3-pounder, as fat as it is. That rod just loaded up, boy. God, this is too much fun, you guys. You guys, if you guys are into chatterbait fishing, you know, you're gonna need the right rod for this technique. And I got a, I talked about it in other videos, this new Jacob Wheeler 7.4 medium heavy. It's the bladed jig rod, chatterbait rod. And I'm telling you, man, this thing is freaking phenomenal. And I got it paired up with a Shimano Bantam 7:1 gear ratio. That 7:1 gear ratio plays a huge part in chatterbait fishing. I'll talk about it here in a minute. I got to get back in there. Another reason I'm using the chatterbait so much, not because of just wind, is because this water has some dinge on it. It's pretty dingy, so I'm taking advantage of the dingy water and the wind at the same time, because they're not seeing the bait very well. Everything's advantage angler at this point with them coming shallow. So, you know, a quick reaction strike is what they're gonna do on this chatterbait. And, you know, just, you know, keep that in mind, you guys, when you're fishing. You know, you don't always have to slow down to catch bedfish. In fact, I like to speed up. Especially when you got some dingy water and you know, some wind in your favor. God! Oh yeah, this is a nice one right here, guys. Straight jig bite this sucker, man. It's about a 4-pounder, 4.5. I'm gonna try to keep her down. I'm gonna bring her to this side of the boat. Oh man. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Boom! Let's go! God, dude. What a freaking bite. Oh man, what a day already. Holy smokes. Look at that chatterbait, boy. Chatterbait right in the side. I mean, just an absolute jig bite, man. God, these big females get pissed off, boy, when they're on bed. Boom, you guys. There's another fatty right there. That fish was on bed, I guarantee it. Let's go. God, I know I say let's go a lot, but man, I'm pumped. Let's let her go and get back in there. I mean, smoke that damn thing. I felt that bite in my hands, you guys. God, that was awesome. She was not playing, man. That is freaking awesome when they bite it like that. Holy smokes. That's 2 back here so far, you guys. Come on, man, where's real Big Mama at? Is she back here? It's what they do. They either just absolutely hammer it and it feels like a jig bite, or they just swoop on it and your line just takes off. One or the other this time of year. Oh, I think I just had one lash out at it but missed it. I'm gonna throw right back in there. It's important you guys throw right back in there. You might bite it again. 3/8 ounce chatterbait. That's what I'm throwing. The Jack or the Elite, the Evo Elite chatterbait in the 3/8. Silver blade, and that blade's got a whole lot of glitter in it, man, so it shows up really well on these you know, these sunny days. It'll catch them when no other bait works, I'm telling y'all. There it is, another one. Another jig bite. God. Cold cock that thing, boy. Mean ass male right here. Wow, this fish is pretty. Real pretty. Little guy's got a beautiful green on top of him. Hammered that thing. Gotta check my knot. Always check your knots this time of year. You don't want to end up hooking on like an 8 or 9, man, and your freaking line breaks. It'd just be heartbreaking. How about that solar eclipse bite so far, you guys? Holy crap. That solar eclipse bite. That's funny. I've never fished on a solar eclipse. I've seen it one time before. But I did hear that this one was pretty cool. Drop some comments down in the comment section. You know, let me know your thoughts about it. Out here in Georgia and Alabama, it did get a little dark for a little while, and I felt the temperature come down for a brief minute. I think it's over with now, but as we're starting to approach the evening time. Oh man, this is awesome, man. Got a long time coming. Fishing all the way up till right now when it's finally starting to get like this. It's been a long time coming, you guys. This is the time of year to get out here and just put a hammer on them, man. But make sure you take care of the fish at the same time. This is a very important time of year that, you know, catch and release. You know, get your photos, you know, make sure your live wells are working good, all that type of stuff. Because, man, these are your best producing fish. It's going to make your lakes, you know, that much better and keep them thriving for years to come.
My buddy Brett finally got here, Georgia Finesse Fishing, and he's about to catch a couple nice ones. Stay tuned.
I should be coming anytime, brother. Anytime. Yeah, a massive fish. I mean, just a giant, bro.
Look at her run. Here she comes. Oh, it's a nice
Oh
one.
yeah, it's
Net or no?
Yeah, I would, cause I don't know how good she's hooked.
It looks
She
like
hit
a
it on the ball.
Oh, look at that baby come up in head shape, boy. Oh yeah.
Beautiful fish.
Yes, sir. Bring her over here. Boom, baby. Brett's hooked up.
Baby.
Georgia finesse, baby. Let's go.
It's actually on her lip.
That's a pre-spawner, dude. No, she got some rub marks.
Yeah, it's a beautiful fish.
Yes, it is. That's gorgeous. Hell yeah, dude. Get right back in there.
Yep. Let's go. That is a healthy 3-pound fish.
Oh, that's all, yeah. Might go through that.
Yep. Let's go, guys. Let's get her back.
Jig bite or did she lock it up?
She jig bit it right on the fall. I actually thought I was in some weeds, to be honest with you. And that's how you do it.
Love.
That's how you do it.
Let's go.
And he been out here 10 minutes.
Yep.
All right, y'all. Get it, man. There might be a pile of them. That solar eclipse has effects on them, I think.
Telling you, man.
Shit. It'll be a. Oh my God.
Another one?
What was that?
Oh.
That was weird. Just like dead stop. Thought I done got tagged up again. Don't get a chatterbait fired up bite, dude.
I'm telling you. This is starting fire, man. God, it's been a long time coming, brother. Man, it's been a long time coming.
It really has.
I'm out here grinding for these fish, bro. And we're finally gonna break through for us, man.
That fish was out here in the open too.
Yeah.
Just cruising.
Oh, they'll make beds out here too. I guarantee it. God, the conditions are just perfect, man. Are you kidding me? I mean, this is giant weather right here.
Oh yeah.
Absolute giant weather. Threw myself right out the boat.
I did.
Pretty sure there's going to be a shad spawn going on this month too. You know, it seems like, you know, the spawn, and then as soon as the bass get done spawning, you'll have a shad spawn, almost like perfect for them
Oh yeah.
to feed right back up. And man, when that happens, man, when everything's going off like that at the same time, that's magical shit right there.
Right. Got one, dog. It's a big one.
Is it big?
Yeah. Yes, it is.
It's coming this way, dude.
Yes, it's big, dude. Get the net. Get the net. Head shaking like crazy. Big tail. Nice and. Oh, it's a pig.
Yes, it is.
Oh my God, it's going down today, guys.
Oh, that's
Oh
a freeze. That fish right there so fast.
Oh my
Hey,
God.
get that back trolley, man. Let's get up there.
Oh my God. Did he eat it? Check her out. Fatty. Straight pig.
Yes, sir.
Alright, y'all. We're gonna put her back in the water. She gotta do her thing. Big producer. Man, that one hammered it, dude.
Jig bite.
I had to set the hook left.
Yeah.
It was awkward.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little 4-hour session of fishing, and there's more to come, so stay tuned. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one.